Hey guys, this is SoulRag333 with another review, and here I have the Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection Faker. Actually, faked you out. There is Faker. So, yeah, right when I found these two guys, I found that one at Target on sale too, so snatched him up, and yeah, he's cool. I'm glad he's not blue, you know. Although I could have easily bought two of these guys and one of them could have been Faker, you know. But I'm glad we finally have a Faker that looks just like He-Man, you know. And now I have a couple of nitpicks, but maybe they did it because they did not want to sell two He-Mans. Now, I think if you only had to get one, both figures are actually fine. My nitpick is the choice of armor or the harness. So, and I honestly don't know which is better. I think I like this sheath better than that one. I like how sleeker it looks, but I don't like, if you want to remove the harness, here you have the straps and you remove them like normal. This one you have to take the figure apart to remove it, and I don't like that. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's not a big deal, but I just don't like that. But at the same time, it does look cleaner, so that's why it's more of a nitpick. I guess what I really want is for both figures to be identical, and so that you know, this one is, they have different harnesses, you know, but oh well, maybe they had different smiths building these. The other nitpick is the fact that his boots seem like they're straps and his are smooth, you know, animation style. Again, they probably did it so that you can differentiate between the actual He-Man figure and Faker, but again, I would have liked them to be identical, which I guess if I wanted to, I could just buy two of him or two of him and I'd be happy. And there he is, looking serious. I guess that's how you can tell them apart. But I'm definitely going to display him with his alternate head, his glowing eyes. That is cool. Another difference is the actual sword. This one, damn, it's really wedged in there. Now this one doesn't bother me too much. So He-Man's power sword is a very shiny silver, like dark, and Faker's power sword is very bright, lighter. So I don't mind these being different because he has the real power sword. His would be a fake. So this makes sense. And this one, yeah, gotta really wedge it in there for it to stay. And this one is just a snug fit, so I like the sheath a lot better. And then here we have Prince Adam, and I want to make sure that at least It's slightly off, but close enough. And what if I give Prince Adam the angry? Skin tone's gonna be a little off. But maybe, yeah, maybe this Prince Adam. This is the Prince Adam is happy. Something just happened. And now shit's about to get real. And he's gonna summon the power of Grayskull. So that's cool. I'm gonna keep him like that though. And then, I don't know, maybe the Faker slips and He-Man is being a little too happy. A happy He-Man. But yeah, oh man, there's so many figures I'm missing out on. The distribution is shit. And I really don't want to have to order these online, but I feel like I'm going to have to. I need She-Ra. I saw Hordak. The Modulok. Damn, man. There's so many. But I think before I do any of that, I'm just going to trim down my collection and sell a bunch of shit. And it doesn't help that I purchased another Turtle of Grayskull, Teela, just so that I can give her 2 blades. And I removed the fur, so the armor is going to look a little bit sleeker, so I'm going to trim that. But I basically want her to have 2 blades. And then I did the, I forget which Teela this actually is. You can tell because she has the gold armor pieces, different boots, and bare hands instead of gloved hands. This one still has the silver armor pieces. So other than removing the fake fur, I don't know what else I'm going to do with this. So yeah, there he is. Let me show Faker one last time. Looking very cool. Thanks for watching. Stop! And I didn't think about comparing him with this guy right here. So, so there they are, the cartoon collection Faker with the Origins Faker. So yeah, definitely not a blue guy. And yeah, I don't know. Even though it makes no sense. I wonder if we'll get a cartoon collection blue Faker. I mean, why not? But now I kind of want to do this. Actually, yeah, this right here. Hey. Just give him the Skeletor's armor. And then that kind of looks cool. The head is, you know, different skin tone. You know, Skeletor boots instead of the He-Man boots, but that actually looks kind of cool. And there you go. Now you can tell them apart. But yeah, wanted to, you know, show the origins Faker, and then do some little part swaps, see what that looks like. I don't know if he'd be too thrilled. But there he is, Faker and Faker. Now, thanks for watching.